Hey, what is up you guys? How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pretty little thing haul, which you'll know by the title. Kind of had just a tiny splurge. Now, it's not often that I buy like clothes in bulks, because normally like through the year I just buy them like little tiny bits, but I thought, treat yourself. I thought I'd make a video of this because it's been a hot minute since I have done a haul. Like, I don't even remember the last time I did a haul at all. And I've not opened anything yet. Everything, the bag is still sealed shut, so this is going to be like a first impressions. And I am quite picky when it comes to clothes. Like, the amount of times I've like, this is going to fall off my lap. The amount of times that I've bought clothes and then like returned them because I just don't like how they feel or how they fit when I get them is unbelievable. So fingers crossed I like everything. If there is like strange noises in the background, spooky shit has been happening in the house right now. I'm not even kidding you. Now we've got neighbours, but it's in the house. Just saying. But like I said in my last video, the neighbours are noisy, especially that one. This is the other neighbour's wall that I'm against. Do you know how hard it was to leave this package until tonight? It arrived yesterday. I was at work till 7, so I didn't get home till about 8ish. The dog's coming out. It's fine. It's the dog. Hi. Hey, gorgeous. You gonna lie down? Yeah? Yeah? Can we also just appreciate how there's Christmas hats on these unicorns? Why can't this just open easy, please? Right, funnily enough, everything I bought, which apart from one top I think, is black. So that's fun. Trying to venture away from black so much and kind of failed. So first thing is this fishnet black crop top. It's completely netted apart from this little area on the top for where to hide your cleavage. But I thought that would still be cute. I'm gonna go back a bit so you can see. So yeah, I got that in a size 8. Next, I got this off-the-shoulder bodycon dress, and it's just completely black. I got that in a size 8 as well. I don't own a lot of dresses, so I thought that would be super cute for like going out. It's like really hard to show you guys like what's what because I've got such a small space to work with. Maybe in the future I'll do like a haul and a try on. Would that be better? Next is this basic square neck bodycon, not bodycon, bodysuit. Yeah, bodysuit? Yeah. Completely white. The only thing like I'm not too happy about is the fact that you can't sort the straps out, because I struggle with, because I'm so short, so I struggle with like sizes and stuff like that. So like things like this, sometimes they're great, and then sometimes they're like, I need to get my grandma to shorten these. This is just a basic rolled sleeved crop top in black, and I got this in a size 6. I do really like these. I've got the khaki one and they're so comfortable, like so comfortable, it's unbelievable. So yeah, and the material of these tops are so nice as well. So nice, so soft. I remember correctly, this is the all-in-one jumpsuit. Yeah. How am I gonna hold this up? Oh wait, what? How does this work? Okay, I didn't know this. I bought a jumpsuit because I don't know how the hell I'm gonna show this. I bought a jumpsuit basically, and it's all completely black with split sides going down the leg, and I've just realised like it's string. I'm not very good with this. So I don't know if it like connects anywhere else. This is worrying me, guys. This is worrying me. I need to look at the photo. So how? Ah, I get it now. Basically, these strings like cross over and go through these little loops and then you tie it up at the back. Did not know that. Hopefully this works. But yeah, this is just a plain black jumpsuit, and like I said, it's all split down the leg here. I've got that in a size 8, I think. Yeah, I got that in a size 8, so fingers crossed this fits me. I will most probably have to get my grandma to shorten this because your girl here got tiny little legs. I am only 5'2". Next is this bandeau. Is it bandeau or bandeau? Because like so many people say it different, and I say bandeau, but so many people say bandeau, and I just don't know what's right. So I've got this bandeau. I was gonna say bandeau then. Is this bandeau split up the side bodycon dress in black, and I got that in a size 8 as well. It is very short, like this is how long it is. But you know, my laptop just made a funny noise. That was fun. So on edge right now. Next is this basic black short sleeve off the shoulder bodycon dress. I got that in a size 8 as well. I'm just really loving like off the shoulder dresses. But the thing is, like, this looks pretty baggy, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm wearing a jumper right now, so I look a lot bigger than I am. But it looks really baggy. Also, I do tend to keep everything until I've tried it on. So maybe some things will have to go back. Does anybody else struggle opening things because of nails? These claws just can't do a lot. So same as the wire, I got the black version of it, but I've just realised that it's got like a line going through it, like there, like halfway through. I didn't notice that in the white. But yeah, it's just this basic black square neck. Square neck? Square neck. Next is this wet look bralette. I'm not gonna lie, don't really like the feel of this. Probably should have realised that when I bought it, but it does look really nice, so I'm gonna try it on and see how it feels on. I think that's super cute. And I got that in a size 8, if I haven't already said, because I can't really remember. Oh, that is heavy. What is this? Okay. Damn, that's heavy. What the? I don't even remember like half the things that I bought either, because I was quite half asleep. Oh, it's a skirt. Next is this black ruched side split maxi skirt. Don't leave me. Bye. Oh, he's only sitting outside my door. It's really long, like, oh my head. It's so long, really long. I'm gonna have to get this shortened because, like I said, only 5'2". But I'm kind of a bit iffy about the material of it. Kind of feels a bit greasy. Kind of know what I mean. It's quite silky, but it's really heavy. Like, really heavy. If you hear that noise, it's dog moving around. This is just a basic black jersey strappy crop top, which looks quite big. Once again, not a massive fan of these straps, but hopefully, fingers crossed, they will fit. And I got that in a size 8 as well. I just always like go for size 8s for the fact that it's a safe option, because clothes can be a lot tighter than they look. Because realistically, like in jeans I'm size 8, but like anything like round here, like round my stomach, is normally a size 6. Last but not least is these sunnies. They look massive. I'm not very good when it comes to keeping sunglasses, because I just tend to get like cheapy ones from work and I break them so easy. They're quite big. And I have quite a tiny face. But I like it. I like them. But that is it for this week, guys. That is everything I bought. I did tell you most of it was black for a start, apart from one top. And a pair of sunglasses. But got the hiccups apparently. But I'm gonna try it all on, and no doubt I'll probably have to send some things back because I've just got such an awkward body size. But pray for me. That click was my toes. Gross. But yes, that's it for this week, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, then give it a thumbs up anyways. And please, 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 please subscribe to my channel. If you want to follow me on a day-to-day basis, I will leave all of my social medias in the description bar down below. So go check them out if you want to see more. And I will hope to see you soon with another video.